Alright, the Vidcastive, I believe it's called. 1080p body cam. 38 bucks on Amazon. Owner's manual, you know, usual crap. Extended warranty. QR code that you could scan. USB Type-C cable. Regular card reader, not high speed or anything, just regular old card reader for your micro SD card. Here you got your reset tool. I unboxed this. This is just a re-unboxing. So here you get the camera itself. You got a 180 degree rotatable lens. Buttons on the side. Clip on this side. More buttons on that side. They include, well, I have it in my other thing. I misplaced it temporarily, but they include a 64 gigabyte memory card. Hang on, I can't seem to find it. Yeah, I misplaced it temporarily. They include a, you know, they give you a 64 gigabyte card, but I just put I put a 128 in there. I don't know what the maximum capacity for this is, but it took a 128 gigabyte card just fine. Yeah. All right, so looking at it, you got a screen in front. Well, I'll turn it on. Show you what this thing is like. There's your power button right there to turn it on. Yeah, nice little screen right there. These are the infrared lights, I believe. This is the clip. On this side, you got the power button, the return button for, you know, menu navigation and other stuff. Over here, you got the menu navigation buttons. And here you get the OK button for, you know, menu navigation, and and also these are used for fast forwarding and rewinding through video. I think that's the microphone, I think, but I'm not sure. Press this to go to the menu. Up and down button to navigate the menu. Resolution is the OK to confirm or make a selection. Resolution, you got 1280 by 1020, 720. You go back to get out of that. Okay, so image quality, cyclic recording, that's the loop recording. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, yada yada yada, you get the idea. You can select whichever one you want. Go back. You can adjust the white balance, the exposure value, motion detection, turn that on or off. Audio on or off, date tag, you know, the time date stamp, you want that on or off. Beep is misspelled strangely. You want the beep sound on or off, turn that on or off. Time setting, you set up the time. Auto power off, choose how long you want that to be on. There you go. Language setting, self-explanatory. Screensavers, you can set how long you want that to be. Volume, because it's so annoying to me, I usually keep it to 3, between 3, 2, and 1. I mean, it goes all the way to 7, yeah, as you can see. But I keep it fairly low. You can format the memory card, reset the system, and there's the version of software. So there you go. If you want to record, you long press the OK. You know, not long press, but press it for like 2 seconds, and it starts recording. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So to play back, you hit this button to return. Okay, so this is how you go through all the different. It's in standby mode. This is how you go through to take pictures and to take, you know, voice recordings. This return button right here, now it's in picture mode. So you go ahead and take a picture. You hit OK. Took a picture. And you see the little LED flashed. Took a picture again. Okay. So get out of that. You go back. You hit it again to start voice recording. You hit the OK button to start voice recording. Okay, so the LED's on, solid, voice, indicating that you're voice recording. You hit it again to stop. You get out of that. So now you can use the up and down buttons. Well, you can actually, you know, to scroll through all this crap. Scroll through all your video recordings or your pictures or videos. Okay, get out of that. You hit this button to go back in standby mode. Now, one thing that annoys the crap out of me with this thing. Can you get that? The buttons are very loose. The buttons are very loose, and when you're walking around with this thing, you can hear it. I mean, it's fun if you're doing like surveillance, or if you have like motion detector and you have it sitting on a table or a bookshelf or something like that. And it's not moving around. But if it's moving around and you're recording something, you're doing deliveries or anything else, that's going to be annoying. Just saying. Yeah, the buttons are kind of noisy. Just be mindful of that. Other than that, it's good. Oh yeah, it's got a 1/4-20 mount on the bottom. I forgot to mention that, in case you want to use it with a tripod. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Nice little camera. It's very small. How much does it measure? What's the measurement of this thing? Okay, so it's about 1.25 inches wide. It's almost 4 inches long. About 3/4 of an inch deep. So there you go. Okay, there's no image stabilization, and I don't think it's waterproof because, well, it doesn't look like it's waterproof. The Vidcastive L9 body camera. Yeah, there'll be a link in the description if you want to buy it. And yeah, that's it. All right, thanks for watching.
Hi, 20 on number 2. Number 2, yeah, thank you. Thing there. Table. Okay. Now recovering white balance, I guess, from dark to light. Slight delay there. Okay. Delivery. Yes, hey now. All right, take care. Thank you. All right, there's your nighttime test of the camera. Finishing up my deliveries for the night, and that's it.